welcome to this video. Today we are going to see the topic about technology in education, how we can develop as a teacher a new topic with our students. We can use this amazing tool that we can create interactive images. For example, we are going to see here, welcome to this class, please work in every activity and just click in each icon to the activity. We need to some instructions here, and also we have over here like the first activity. It is a Padlet that the students they need to write like some their thoughts and what they think about this new era, about that. And basically then we have another activity that it is a video that they need to check and listen during the time that they are going to have. And then to the third activity, after that they watch the video, they can create a story, a comic about the new era. For example, here, what is education so difficult in this time? Hi, I'm a little bit of worry, and they have like some creation. Our students they are going to enjoy that because they have a lot of imagination about it. And then we have like some podcast here, like a podcast about the education, and basically they need to listen about it. And then when we are going to finish with that, they are going to have an activity about it, and they need to place in order like the words that they listen on the podcast. And the last activity, but it's not the least, they are going to review the topic about the vocabulary that we saw on this content. And basically this is going to be the activity. This is some it is going to be something different, something that our students they are going to enjoy, because they are going to have the first, and then they want to move, and they are going to be motivated about to have something different in this time.